What's happening, guys? It's about Nagpal and today we're going to be reviewing the new Sennheiser X320 for Xbox headphones. They're actually headsets because they do have an inbuilt microphone over here as well. This microphone is pretty handy and you can flip it up in case you don't like using it. But the biggest factor about these headphones is the fact that they are completely USB headphones or headsets. So it is a USB headset at the end of it, and the fact that they are designed for Xbox is brilliant, but you can use them with your PC as well. So you get this really nice extra long cable that allows you to connect with your Xbox and then sit quite far away as you would normally playing your Xbox. Basic set of features include the fact that you can mute with your microphone simply by bringing it up. So if you're in the middle of a game and you would like to mute your audio, your voice going out, you can simply flip this up over here, and in this position it will mute your audio. When you bring it down, it'll start transmitting your audio again. Let's talk about the build quality of these headsets. First of all, you have this really nice plastic on the top over here where the Sennheiser logo is. This plastic is very flexible, will fit most heads and should not be a lot of trouble to use. However, this does have some sharp edges over here which might tend to hurt someone, or if you're not very careful you might get hurt. But overall there shouldn't be any problem, but there are a couple of sharp edges, so I thought that that would be a nice thing to know, or a good thing to know, and it's a kind of a warning for you guys. The cushioning on the inside of the headband has some sort of memory foam because once you start using the headsets, the cushioning kind of settles in, and then after a long time will it come back into its original shape. So nice cushioning on the inside. Let's talk about the ear cups. The ear cups are round design ear cups. They're not oval type that most of the new headphones and the other companies are designing nowadays. The oval types sit around your ear very comfortably. These ones somehow sit on a slight part of them sits on top of your ear, and the rest of it sits around it. If you don't like that, then these may not be very comfortable for you. You can kind of push it around and make it fit your ear so that they are a slight bit more comfortable than they would normally. However, that being said, the cushion on this is very soft and has a very nice breathable fabric. It does not allow it to get really warm and keeps the good acoustics in there. So you have nice rich bass coming from the speaker in the earpiece over here, and you get nice rich bass, very deep indeed. And overall mids were a little terrible. They were a little all over the place, but highs and lows were pretty incredible. So slight bit of variation on the mids. So this is your volume control that comes inline. You have game volume settings over here, and you have chat volume settings over here. You can quickly adjust those. You can also increase the bass. So you have bass boost button over here that allows you to quickly increase the bass on your headphones, which is pretty impressive, because once you do that without the bass boost, the headphones are pretty rich in bass. With the bass boost you get very nice and deeper bass and an excessive bass of sorts. So if you like very high bass, that actually doesn't sound right because bass is usually low. If you like a lot of bass in your audio, so this button will actually do that for you. You can also connect a 2.5mm headsets over here into additional outlets. If you want to connect that, you can do that by connecting into this port. On the lower end over here, you will see the Sennheiser USB connection point. But the cool thing about this point is that you have a headphone jack over here as well. So you can take the audio out and connect another set of headphones if you have, which will allow full audio on this, and the microphone can go into this. So headphones and microphones. So with one unit you can actually have two now. So if you have a headset which has a microphone and earphones separate, you can connect it into this and have additional sort of audio going through. Along with the device you get several cables. So this is kind of the cable that we were talking about. This allows for you to connect either into a USB port over here, allowing you to shift audio out into a television if you would like to do that. A nice RCA connection for your audio. You can see it's very nice build quality. You have gold plated tips, and you do have the ability to extend it. So even though you'll be using one whole set of RCA inputs, the headphones allow you to continue to use another set. So you can take the input of audio from the television as well. So overall, pretty impressive headsets designed for Xbox, designed for extreme gamers, prolonged usage. You'll have no issues. They are slightly plasticky according to me, and the kind of design they have on their side. You do have a kind of a tacky X320 branding over here, which I honestly do not like. Again, the plastics are slightly cheap to look at. However, you'll see that there is no rattling or noise from the headsets. Overall build quality will last you a long time. You do have a flexible microphone over here, which does have a sort of gooseneck. It allows you to kind of turn it closer to your mouth and continue using. But if you do turn it closer to your mouth, the mute function kind of dies because you can't go all the way up and mute your headsets. So a couple of things that you need to look into. There are a couple of other options available in the market, including the Razer, including several other headsets. These ones pretty expensive, but they do have Sennheiser's quality in there. You do have really nice speakers, a very nice microphone, and overall build quality is pretty impressive. The wires, the plugs, the jacks, gold plated connectors on the RCA side. Overall pretty impressive. So if you have any questions or queries, do leave them in the comment section below on Facebook, Twitter, Google+. You can also catch us on Pinterest and Instagram for iGyan. Do check out iGyan.in for lots more things, and do subscribe to our YouTube channels, youtube.com/iGyan, youtube.com/iGyanTV. For iGyan Networks, this has been Bharat Nagpal. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.